time, we're going to do the Snorkel 101. So if you guys want to follow along, go ahead, grab a seat, get out your equipment. I got some good stuff for you here. I've also found out that if you start there, step 1. Properly sealed mask, you were going to have a less than an enjoyable experience in the water. So we're going to take you now want to take the back strap and pull that high up over your head.
What do you need, Deborah?
Oh, sunblock in my eye. What happened?
You can come out through the front too if you want to.